Another day, another story. Hey guys, welcome to our channel, where we explore the most beautiful and hidden travel destinations around the world. Today, we're in Lecce, the hidden gem of Italy, and we're going to take you on a journey to discover the beauty of this amazing city. Lecce is located in the southern region of Puglia, and it's known as the Florence of the South, for its stunning Baroque architecture. It's a city full of history, culture, and beautiful landscapes that will leave you breathless. And not only that, but Lecce is also located near some of the most beautiful beaches and crystal clear waters in Italy. So, whether you're interested in history, culture, or just relaxing on the beach, Lecce has something for everyone. But let's not forget about the food. Lecce is famous for its delicious cuisine, with fresh ingredients and traditional recipes that have been passed down for generations. And the local markets are a must-visit, where you can find everything from fresh seafood to handmade pasta. And what makes Lecce even more special is its people. The locals are incredibly friendly and welcoming, always happy to share their culture and traditions with visitors. And when the sun goes down, Lecce comes to life with a vibrant nightlife scene and plenty of events to keep you entertained. From music festivals to cultural events, there's always something going on in this city. So, if you're looking for a hidden gem in Italy that has it all, Lecce is the perfect destination. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and tips. Start our tour in the heart of the old town, Piazza del Duomo, which is surrounded by stunning Baroque architecture. The cathedral dominates the square and is a must-see attraction. Its facade is incredibly ornate, with intricate details and sculptures. From there, we will head to the nearby Roman amphitheater, which is one of the largest in Italy. Although it was built in the 2nd century AD, it's still remarkably well preserved and is a testament to the engineering skills of the Romans. Next up, we'll visit the Basilica di Santa Croce, which is a masterpiece of Baroque art. The facade is intricately decorated with carvings and sculptures, while the interior is adorned with frescoes and stucco work. The basilica is also home to the remains of many important figures from Lecce's past. After the basilica, we'll take a stroll through the picturesque streets of the old town, admiring the charming Baroque architecture and soaking up the atmosphere of this beautiful city. We'll stop at some of the local cafes and restaurants, where you can sample some of the delicious local cuisine and wine. Our next stop will be the Castello di Carlo V, which is an impressive fortress built in the 16th century. It's now home to a museum, where you can learn more about the history of Lecce and the surrounding region. Finally, we'll visit the stunning beaches just outside the city, where you can relax and soak up the sun. The coastline around Lecce is dotted with small coves and bays, each with its own unique character and charm. That concludes our tour of Lecce, the hidden gem of Italy. If you're planning a trip to Italy in 2023, be sure to add Lecce to your itinerary. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and destination guides. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it and want to stay updated on our future content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. If you have any questions or comments, please leave us a message below. See you in the next video.